Welcome everyone to the Fusion 360 tutorial channel. I am Yogesh and we today making this product in the Fusion 360 of this plane. We are starting from here. It is a just half section. Like first I make this half part, then I revolve over it because this is the in this we are using main thing we are using here the revolve feature. Then for the cutting the pins we are using the extrude cut. Then for holes we are using the extrude cut also feature. Then there are some champers like here. Then fillets like here and here. Let's see all these features in the Fusion 360. Let's start. Yeah, I'm taking new plane. Just taking the front plane. Then I draw the one center line like this. Then I draw this sketch. I'm not using here the dimension first. After making the sketch, I use the dimension. Yeah. Let's start like this. Something like here. This line is the small from this line. Sketch. After that, like this inclined line. Then here somehow. Yeah. Yes. Here something like this. Then arrow and connect it to the origins. And I connect here with the origin. Yeah. Then after that I give the dimensions from this point to let's start from the upper section. From this point to this point, the dimension is nothing but 120 or something else. Yeah, it is 120. 120. Just I give here. From this point to this point, the line is 105 as per the our drafting. Then here is it is will be the 8 mm. Then from this point to the to the origin, it will be the 66.08, which I am not provided in this drafting. That's I told you orally like this. And here it will be the 10 mm, not a 20, 10. Then after that the distance, after that these lines, this is the offset lines, yeah, of 3 mm from this outer line. Let's make the offset line. Modify offset. While doing the offset, one thing you must know, change selection is not like here. You can just you want to unclick on the change selection, then select this line. Suppose your change selection like this, you are choosing the change selection like this, and you select one sketch or the one line, it totally take over this whole sketch. Offsetting in outer direction, but I want offset in inward direction. Just I want to put the value in the negative value like this 3 mm. Then I use here the extend feature, extend this line to downward, extend upward, but I want to use here the extend in downward direction like this. Yeah, then zoom out and then extend it. It extend properly. Yeah. After that I give the dimensions to this line is 3 mm here, and this line to this line will be 3 mm. Right. After that the 174 distance has been given here from this line to the center or from this line to this line. Like this is our hollow part. Yeah, it is the internal radius like this 174. I'm providing here is the 174 like this. Yeah, then the outer radius, it will be the 240 like here. For the upper part, there also be the two radius has been provided. The first is the 50 and the second is the 80. I have given here the 50 radius, like here the 50 radius, and here is the outer radius must be the 80 mm. 80 like this. Then I join this point with this line by using the horizontal line. Yeah. Then I use the trim feature to cut this feature. The whole thing is done. In the sketch, this line is not as a construct or it is not a absolute line. I want to construct it here. Just I break this line here. Then I line type here with the construct. Our total sketch has been completed here. Finish the sketch, use the revolve feature. Yeah, then start this like this. Sorry, I use onto it like this. It automatically selected the center line as the axis. Then OK. For drawing this cut pins or this part, I using the front plane on here. From origin, I taking the XY plane as the front plane, as you seen here. Then I use this plane. Then I draw this section. First of all, I making the center line like here also. Or just I use here the construct figure, not just center line like this. Yeah. Then I use the rectangle here, which will be solid. Okay. The distance, let's start. Here we are seeing that there is the arc of the radius 10, which means the distance will be the 20 mm. Top to this origin is 70 and bottom to here the 20 mm. Let's give the distance or dimension like this 20 mm. Then from here to the here it's with the this line, it will be the 10 mm like this. For proper view, I slide it like this. After that, from here to the origin, it will be the 70 mm, and from here to the here, it will be the 20 mm. Okay. For that half circular part, I using the 3-point arc. First point, second point, then just give the arc. Okay. After that, just provide the dimensions. Yeah, it's 10 mm. Yeah. Then I use this line as a reference line for the proper section cut, for proper cut section. Yeah. Okay. Finish the sketch. Our this part has been created. Just hide this part before the slotting. One thing we want to done here, the fillet, because after the cutting, the giving the fillet here is a very hard task. You want to give the every single part fillet. Before that, for avoiding this, we are giving the fillet before the slotting of this section. The fillet of the radius 10 mm. 10. Okay. Then I hide this body. Then use this feature. Extrude cut. The direction will be the symmetric, and extrude over the part. And okay, the cut section has been completed. Then I use the circular pattern. Select the object or the features like this. Select the feature, then select the axis. Our the axis will be the y-axis like this. Then the quantity will be our 18 mm. You can count over here also. Just we count 1 2 3 4 here, 1 2 3 4 here, and here is the 5 mm, 5 and here 5. This will be the 10 18. Yeah, just put the quantity 18 here and then okay. Our part has been created here. Three things are remaining: the holes, what hole feature, okay, the patterns, good, no target body. Let's see, edited. Just select the proper here, the axis, the y-axis, then okay, then also for that here I use face like this, then I okay. It will be the proper. Here we want to use the face instead of features. The type will be the face, not here feature. Like it. After that I add here the circular part for this section. The circle of the 15 mm like here. It from the origin it is the 210. Just give the dimensions like here 210 divided by 2 for the half section like this 105. Then use the reference axis like this. This point and this point will be the first, like coincident. Like then finish the sketch. Then we extrude cut this part throughout the body. Okay. Then use the circular pattern. Select this base and then axis. The y-axis will be the y-axis. Then okay. Like this. Yeah. So all things has been done. Then what remaining the fillets and the chamfer. First I providing the chamfer over here. How much chamfer here? The chamfer will be the 5 mm. Like here. 5 mm chamfer. Then the fillets. The fillet has been here, 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 and you can go with here also. Like this. The fillet is the 2 mm and right. This object has been completed by using the simple commands. Then we go for the rendering. Give the physical material. You can give any physical material. Just I am giving here metals. Then here metals in giving stainless steel. Like this. Okay. Then I giving the appearance. Yeah. Metallic paint. Like here the yellow. Like something attractive, and I'm providing some here and here some different color for the highlight. You can give the any color as per your requirement. It's not compulsory you want to provide like me only. You can give it like this. Here also I want to give the red color like this. So, like this our component has been created. Thank you for watching. Suppose you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you. See you at next exercise.